Good evening everyone. I am Mariam Rahman and I am from Birbhum district and I am a student of IFA and I have completed my basic English course and IELTS course from here and I have cracked my IELTS in first go. And today I would like to talk about something we all experience, that is stress. So like whether it's deadline, work or like daily pressure, we all experience stress, but the main question is how do we manage it. So to manage it, we first have to understand what is stress. So stress is how naturally our body reacts to challenges. So but we have to be able to manage it to live a better and healthy life. So I would like to talk about some causes of stress. Number one is work and life balance. So like when you are facing some deadlines, some work pressure, you feel stressed, and also like in your personal life also, when you are facing any family issues or maybe relationship issue, you will feel stressed. So but the main thing is we have to be able to control it. So to do that, I think there are some practical ways. So first is time management. We should be able to manage our time properly to avoid some unnecessary stress. Like if you can do some to-do list or maybe manage your time properly so you can get your work done and not stress about it. And also the second thing is healthy lifestyle. So our mind and body is connected, so we need to like live a healthy and good life. Like we can do regular exercises and also we can manage our diet to like control our stress. So even if you do some basic breathing exercises and also some 5 minutes walk also, that will also work. And the third point is mindfulness and relaxation. So like taking a break is not a waste of time, but I think it is very necessary from time to time. So you can do some meditation, yoga, or maybe you can just listen to some music to calm yourself down and relax your mind. That way you can avoid stress. And also you can talk to someone very close to you, like your family or friends, to avoid stress. Like you can like share your thoughts and emotions with them so that you can let it out to them. So it is a very essential thing. And the other thing is positive thinking. I think we should always be very positive about what we are doing. Even something is not working out for you, you should always focus on the solution rather than the problem to manage it out. And also like you can take stress in a positive way also, because a little bit of stress can like make you get your work done, and also it can like make you focused and motivated also. But too much stress is not good for your health, like it can lead to anxiety, depression and all. So my final thoughts are about stress is that we should be able to control it to live a healthy life, because stress is a part of our life and we can't exactly avoid it, but we should be able to control it. So the next time you are facing stress, I think you should take a pause and think about it and remind yourself that you should be able to control it. Thank you.